Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So this video is going to be like a spring cleaning because it's officially spring, and I'm so excited because I feel like we've been in winter for like a while now, even though I really enjoyed this winter. Like I really traveled and experienced the cold because, as you know, I feel like I say this in every video, but since I live in Miami, like you don't really experience cold here. But this winter I feel like I traveled so much. I went to New York in the beginning of December, and then I went to London for like 2 weeks, and then I went to New York again in February. So it's like amazing because I really experienced the cold, which was honestly amazing because I feel like I'm starting to like the cold more. Before I used to be like a cold hater, but sometimes it's nice and balance is nice. I like having the 4 seasons and all that stuff. But anyways, that's besides the point. In this video, I'm going to be doing like a spring cleaning and organizing video because I feel like those are like super interesting to watch and motivating. So I feel like it can motivate you to clean your room, your space, and when your space is clean, your mind is clean. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to clean my room. Not like clean it, but like organize it because I have stuff everywhere. Like literally, I'm gonna show you right now, but I have stuff everywhere and I'm like a neat freak, so I need everything to be like organized, and I feel like it's just been so messy. So I'm gonna organize it, and I'm not gonna clean it today because I don't really feel like it. I feel like organizing it today is the best option. I'm gonna clean another day. I'm not gonna clean today. This is gonna be like a multiple day video because I'm not gonna do like everything in one day because I'm exhausted and I just don't have energy for that, and I don't want to like pressure myself into doing everything in one day when, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna show you everything and organize it. Okay, so in my dresser I have like a bunch of stuff here. I have to like put all this away. This is like my college stuff, and then I have to put like all of this away, and then I have to unpack from my trip. I have to like do laundry and unpack and all of that. And then over here, I have like a bunch of clothes that I have to put away, like the winter clothes. And then I have to like put this backpack away and just like organize everything. Like I have to put my makeup in its like space and like put that bag away and like a tissue. Like it's so dirty and everything. And then I'm gonna vacuum my room because it's so dirty. And I feel like we need to clean because I feel disgusting. So yeah, what I'm gonna do first is unpack. And then I'm gonna do a load of laundry, only like black and colors, not white, because I just feel like doing one. Like I don't want to like put too much pressure on myself today because I'm not in the mood. So like the fact that I'm doing it is like already good enough. Even though I'm literally a clean freak and I always love cleaning, but I'm like really tired today. Like I'm just really tired. Like I don't want to like do all of these things. Also, I have like a lot of stuff to do today, so I'm gonna do what I can, but I'm not gonna pressure myself. So yeah. Okay, so as you could see, I just cleaned my whole room. Didn't really clean it, just like organized it and vacuumed, but I didn't actually like deep clean like the furniture and everything. But it's looking way better. There's like nothing on my bed. I put my suitcase away. I put away everything that was in here, and yeah, I like put everything away in my closet and where it belongs, and now it's way better. So it's another day, and today I'm going to be vacuuming and mopping the floor. I'm going to tackle that because I feel like the floor in my room and my bathroom are really dirty. I feel like I haven't cleaned the floor in a minute, so I want to, you know, vacuum, get rid of all the hair because a lot of hair falls off my head and it honestly worries me a lot. There's a lot of hair on the floor. I know it's disgusting. And then I want to mop my floors, so that's what I'm going to be tackling today. Okay, so as you just saw, I just finished vacuuming and mopping the floor, and now I have all of this laundry to fold and to put away because I did laundry yesterday, so I'm gonna fold all of this and put it away. Okay, so now we are in my bathroom and I want to clean under my sink. So this is under my sink. As you can see, there's a bunch of random crazy things. It looks kind of messy. It's pretty organized, to be honest, but I want to like take everything out and clean it, maybe get rid of some things. Honestly, I don't think I need to get rid of anything. I think all of this I need to use. But yeah, I just want to like clean it, clean the surface, make sure that everything that's in here I know that I need to use, you know, like use the products and everything. Okay guys, so this is my closet, and back here I have a bunch of clothes and things that I want to sell. These are all the things that I have listed on my Depop. I have shoes, purses, literally like a bunch of clothes. All of these bags are filled with clothes and just so many more things, and I want to sell all of this. But obviously all of this is super messy and I don't like how it looks. It's super unorganized and I just want to organize it better. So what I want to do is, I have this box right here. I want to try to fit all of this clothes in here, which is going to be a very hard task because that's a lot of clothes. I want to go over all of my clothes in the 3 bags, and I want to see if I have any clothes that I know that I'm not going to sell and I could just donate, because I have a lot of like old clothes that I've had on my Depop for years, like 3 years. I started all of this journey in COVID in 2020. So there's some things that I've had since 2020 and no one has liked it. No one has asked me for an offer, nothing. So I'm gonna look over and see if I could get rid of some things, donate them, and then the rest of the things I'm gonna put them in the green box, and hopefully everything fits in the green box. Okay, so these are the 3 bags, and as you can see, they are filled to the brim. And I also have a bunch of shoes and just literally everything. All these purses. So what I'm gonna do now is take everything out of the bags and I'm gonna separate them in piles. So like what I'm gonna sell, maybe like shirts, pants, like that, so I could have it organized in the box, because the box is pretty deep. So if I sell something, I wanna like know where everything is. So as you guys could see, all of this clothes is what I have on my Depop. I have some more things right here. I'm organizing it in categories so I could put it in the box organized. But I also have like hats, I have a bunch of purses, I have sweaters, crop tops, workout clothes, a bunch of jeans. I have this set from Brandy. I have Princess Polly dress, just a bunch of things. Bikinis, a bunch of hoodies from Brandy. I have a mirror. I just have a bunch of things. So if you guys are interested in any of the things that you see here, check out my Depop because I'm probably going to be moving out soon and I really want to get everything out and just get rid of everything because I've had so many of these clothes for so many years and it's just time to get rid of everything. And there are some things that still have the tag on it, so that's why I don't want to donate it because I feel bad. Like there's just some things that are literally brand new. So, you know, if you guys really want to help out and buy something, then it would mean the world to me. Okay, I've started putting in clothes in the bin and it's already filled with clothes. There's literally not much more space. I have a couple of space in here and then I could put a couple more things, but I still have all of this to put in the bin. So obviously all of this clothes is not going to fit in the bin, so that's unfortunate. That sucks. I really wanted everything to fit and I went through all the clothes and I think that all of the clothes that I have is things that I need to sell because it's like brands that are known and I think that it could sell with time. So guys, if you want to check it out, please check out the Depop, my Depop, because I really want to get rid of all these things. I've had them for so many years and there's so many things that have barely been worn, brand new with tags, everything. And since I want to get rid of things so badly, then I'm down to make an offer and agree on a price. So check out my Depop. The link is in my description and my at is Anna's Shop with 3 P's. But yeah, I'm gonna try to see what else I could fit in the bin and then the rest I'm just gonna probably have to put it in one of those bags. Okay, so I just finished putting everything in the box and organizing everything and I'm gonna show you. This is the box and it is literally filled to the rim. I put all the clothes in here and some hats and the bathing suits are under here. So yeah, I put all the clothes in here, but all the clothes didn't fit. The clothes fit, but not the jeans. The jeans didn't fit because I have like 8 jeans or something like that on sale, and jeans are very like thick and you know take up a lot of space. So I had to put those in bags, and then I have 2 bags. I have one with jeans and the purses slash bags, and then another one with the shoes. So I'm gonna show you that. I actually had to end up keeping some bags here, which was not the plan. I wanted everything to fit in the box and have no bags, but unfortunately that did not happen because nothing fit. So yeah, in here I just have like all the shoes, and then down here I have all the jeans and the bags and purses. The whole point of this was I wanted to get rid of some clothes and donate it and then have everything fit in the green box, but that didn't work out because all the clothes that I have I actually want to try to sell. I'm gonna keep it for a little while longer. If it actually doesn't sell and it gets to a point where like I literally don't care and I want to get rid of it, then I'm gonna get rid of it. But for now I feel like I could still keep pushing and see if anyone wants to buy it. So like I said, go to my Depop, check everything out, DM me, text me if you want to negotiate and see if we could talk prices. But I really want to get rid of a lot of my clothes. Obviously, if it's new and it has like a tag and stuff, like the price is not gonna change much, but depends on what you want, what you're interested in. We could work things out. So yeah, unfortunately, my plans didn't work because I wanted everything to fit in the box, but it didn't happen. But it's fine. I mean, it's not like I'm moving out for like ever. Like my parents are still gonna have this apartment, so yeah. Since my closet doesn't have space because it's literally filled with things, this box is gonna go in my parents' closet. So yeah, that's pretty much what I did. Okay, and last but not least, what I want to do to kind of finish the spring cleaning and organizing my room slash my whole space video is I want to change this rack of clothes right here. As you can see, it has winter clothes and I want to change it to spring slash summer clothes because we're approaching the spring slash summer season, and you know, the colors like the pinks, the whites, the dresses, all of that kind of stuff. I want to change it so then my room looks a little bit more springy and has a little bit more color because this is done. I'm so excited to change this clothing rack to more springy colors. So let's do it. Okay, so this is what it ended up looking like. So I just added 2 white shirts, and then this one from Zara, and then this one from Banana Republic, and my Levi's jean jacket. I think it looks super cute. This is what I thought of. And then I just have some purses. I changed the clear, like lighter ones over here, and then I have my darker ones over here. This one is actually on sale. I don't wear it and it's literally brand new, so check it out if you're interested. It's from Levi's, and then that one I just thrifted. And yeah, and then the Dunk collection is looking pretty good right here. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and most importantly, I hope that this video motivated you and inspired you to do the same for your space. I hope that you guys are also spring cleaning. I feel like this is such an important thing to do. Like, the new year came around, and when it's spring, I just feel like it's so important to just clean your space. You know, when you have a clean space, then you have a clear mind. So yes, I hope that this video inspired you, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.